is triangle. Triangle.
Curve.
Triangle.
Curve.
Triangle.
My name is Polygon. Polygon.
My name is curve.
My name is triangle.
Curve.
Triangle.
Polygon.
Curve.
Triangle.
Polygon.
Curve.
Triangle.
Polygon.
Triangle.
My name is circle. Circle. My name is curve.
My name is triangle.
My name is Polygon.
Curve.
Triangle.
Polygon.
Circle. Curve.
Triangle.
Polygon.
Circle. Curve.
Triangle.
Polygon.
Curve.
Triangle.
Polygon.
Circle. Go! A curve is a geometric shape. A curve is a collection of all points that can be drawn without lifting the pencil from the paper. There are two types of curve, namely open curve and closed curve. An open curve is a curve that has two endpoints that doesn't meet or connect each other. A closed curve is a curve that starts and ends at the same point. Now, I want to show you the example of open curve and closed curve. Oops, sorry, I dropped it. That is one of example of open curve. Want to see another example? Hi, Bene. What are you drawing?
I'm drawing a house with scenery.
Wow! Can I borrow it?
Oh, yes, sure.
The next example is a senator. And if you can see, this is one of example of open curve. Any line that you can draw without lifting the pencil from the paper or the board. The next is example of closed curve, like this one. This phone case has a curved shape. The next one is this. A key. A key has a curved shape. And the last one is a heart shape. But if you open it, it will be open curve.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now, I want to explain about triangle. In geometry, a triangle is a three-sided polygon that consists of three edges and three vertices. The most important property of a triangle is that the sum of the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. A triangle has two main types. The first type is based on its sides, which consists of three kinds: an equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle, and a scalene triangle. The second type of triangle is based on its angles, which includes an acute triangle, an obtuse triangle, and a right triangle. Now, I want to show you guys an example of triangle in everyday life. Come with me. Look at that. Want to see more example? Let's go.
Sing! Sing! Sing!
So now I will explain about polygons. Polygons is two-dimensional closed figure which is formed by three or more straight lines. There are two types of polygons. There is regular polygons and irregular polygons. Regular polygons have equal edges or equal angles, whereas irregular polygons doesn't have equal angles and edges. So now I will show you the example of regular polygons. Follow me. So the first one is triangle. Triangles have three of straight lines that close, so it can be qualified as polygons. The second one is the quadrilateral or square. This is the example because it has four straight lines that form a closed two-dimensional figure. Okay, I will show you another example of regular polygons. Follow me. This is another example of polygons. It has six straight lines. This is called hexagon. I want to show you another polygon figure. Follow me. It looks like it's gonna rain. Use my umbrella.
explanation is circle. The definition of a circle, the coordinate of a position of point that have the same from a certain point. Okay, there are several elements of a circle, namely, the first is radius, the second is diameter, the third is arc, the fourth is chord, the fifth is segment, the sixth is apothem, the seventh is certain point, and the last is sector. This is the example of the circle. And this
Sudah terbiasa kerja di kampung.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.